Okay, so this is a Lost Valley track, Glen. You go through that amazing road with the mountains either side. You go to one of the car parks and you take this track up. It's where the McDonald's used to come and hide the cattle that they used to rustle. Well, even back then he knew he was going to have a franchise, didn't he? He needed as much cows as he could. Wonder how they froze them back then. Anyway, I'm not alone. There's KP. Bit of a struggle in places, like, and it's wet, slippy. So I'm looking forward to getting through to the Valley Park. It's supposed to be something else, and I've got the drone, so I'll get the drone up. Catch us in a bit. Wet? Yo, it's soaking.
Yeah, my pants are dry.
That's a gate, isn't it? That's where we're at now. It's just turned into a little bit of hell, this, like. Not for about 20 more minutes, some guys just said. I've heard that before. The water coming down off there, man. Oh, I made it. What's it called, the Lost Valley?
Right now,
yeah, I wouldn't want to come looking for this again. Ticked. Beautiful though. So Ronald McDonald used to hide all these stolen cattle in here. Christ. So there you go. You can just see them being down here, can't you? A few of them keeping watch and that around, making sure there's no one going to come and catch them out or jump them and take the cattle back and kill them. That is phenomenal. Wonderful, isn't it? Right, that's that. Done. Is that right?
Is that right? It was slush.
What won't be is getting down though.
No. Up in the river.
Oh shit, the river, I forgot about that bit. Just when your feet are starting to dry off.
No, you know, I nearly bought 3 on the beach.
Are they more waterproof?
Yeah. Well, I mean, just for like a spare pair.
Ah, right.
Like today.
We'll dry them on the heater. Won't take long. It's getting cold now, kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've got some nice drone footage there. Karen got some cracking touting photographs, which I'm going to steal off her phone and put them on the video. Really there. I want to fall down there, see you? This is probably the most dangerous bit, these timbers when they're wet. A bloody nightmare. Here's the VN. Still a canny bit to do. Easy stuff though. Worth it? Yes. Worth it? Yeah, definitely. Right at the end.
Things happening, isn't it?
Aye, normally.